Okay, this is the video on how to show you the final part of project 2, which is the exporting of your sliced up layout. Notice how I have all of my areas sliced up, and all of them are in blue, the ones that I want to have sliced. Notice there's only two gray areas. It's these two black slivers that I'm not going to use. And also note that I have my buttons all named correctly with the appropriate URL where they're going to go to. I also have my header named. I've got my content area named. And I've got my picture areas named as well. And all you need to do is simply go to File, Save for Web and Devices. You'll get a dialog box that shows you the areas that you want to have sliced. And here is your settings that you can change here. Notice it has PNG 24. We don't want that. I want the highest quality file, so I'm going to go up here and select JPEG. And then notice you can change the quality of the JPEG. I'm going to leave it at 100% quality and make sure this optimize button is checked. Then I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And notice that when you save, it says the format here and it has images only. We're going to actually go up and click this button that says HTML and images. Go ahead and select that. Also, since this is going to be my home page, I need to make sure I save this file as index. So I'm going to type index.html is going to be the name of the file. It's going to make sure it has, let's see here, it has custom, and then make sure that for the slices it has selected all. Once that is done, you can go ahead and hit save, and it will export all of that for you. Now if I go ahead and go down to my desktop, you'll notice that I have a file here that says index.html and an images folder. And if I click this open, you'll see that here's my web page. And if I look inside my images folder, you'll see that I have all of the slices for me that go with this web page. Also, if I go back and open up the page, if I view the source code, you'll see here that it's nothing more than a table. And notice that there's some interesting information here on this table. It tells you here, image ready slices. This is where the original file came from, and it put it into a table right here. And we'll talk about in just a few minutes on how to edit this and make it fit into our web page.